everyone, Jai Shri Krishna, Radhe Radhe. So today we shall discuss why English is indispensable for us. So as we all know, English is the today's language and it is official language of the world. So English is very indispensable for us. So as English is today's language and it is the official language of the world, so it is very indispensable. So I want to ask you, Anjali, what is your opinion here? Means nowadays, means in English medium student, they are not speaking good English and they are not concentrating on English. So I want your opinion here.
Means according to me, they are just fear of that English, and school is also responsible for that. According to me, they are not teaching them English and not forcing them to speak English all time.
So I want to ask you, Nandini, what is your opinion? What is the main source of learning English? How to start learning English?
We should learn English when we go abroad for education, have to learn well. And many people think that English is difficult and confusing language, but English is very easiest language, as we know. But they are fear of English, so what?
Sister, look now, she know how to speak English. Even she know how to just speak in English, but she is stopped now.
How can you say that I am not speaking?
So you have to speak now. You
Yeah,
have to be quiet. So
when
you
I
have
be quiet in
now
class,
you
I
have to
always
be quiet. No,
speak
you know
English.
English, but you are just always talking in Hindi.
I am not talking in Hindi, only in Hindi class I am talking.
We were discussing over here, no? So he was just keep quiet and you.
And
were
I
also.
think you were also keep
Yes.
quiet. You must also speak, but you were also keep quiet.
You
And
should
Nandini was
also
also
object
keep
over
quiet.
there, but you were also keep quiet there. No.
So you can see there is not my mistake that I am not speaking English.
You both should raise your voice.
Of course, you both should give your opinion over here. We are discussing about this matter, and this is very important matter as we all know, and this become very important for us. Learning English is very vital, very indispensable. Why it is that we all know. So I want the opinion
But
of
Hindi
yours.
is also important. It is not means matter. English is much more important than Hindi.
I'm not saying that Hindi is not important. English is today's language and it is the most communicative
But do
language.
you know that foreigners are also learning Hindi now?
So because they have learned the English, that's why they are learning now Hindi.
Yes,
And
we should be
learning
proud for that.
And now we have learned English, Hindi, so we are learning now English.
Of course,
So what's the problem?
and I must tell you, Hindi, as you said, I'm not against of Hindi. Hindi is good, but Hindi is not, official language of our world. If we are going somewhere, Hindi will not work there, but English will work definitely.
So how can you say
But
that?
now the foreigners are also learning Hindi.
Because
No,
they have
learned English, and with their interest.
we are Indians and we know Hindi.
So is it that we don't know Hindi? We also know
I'm
Hindi.
saying
And
that
we know how to
now foreigners are also learning Hindi, so they will not get any problem if we will speak in Hindi.
Anjali, you just try to grasp your words. You are in your favor, but you are in your against also. Listen to me. What did you say? Foreigners are learning Hindi. So look, foreigners are learning their foreign country language. So why not we should learn our foreign country language? Their foreign country language is Hindi and our foreign country language is English. So we must learn English. And this is the right point, I think. Hindi is important, we all know, but English is the most indispensable.
Preeti, I am against of you that you are just saying that Hindi is not an official language. Hindi is our mother language.
Hindi is our only mother language, but it will not work us in other countries.
Hindi is just easy and sweet language of the
Yes,
world.
it is also so sweet and very easy.
But it is difficult to
We are
learn.
also not agree with you.
Listen, Anjali, it is not
You should
difficult.
be agree with me.
So you
We
have
are
to
not
also
agree
agree
with
with
you.
you.
You should also agree with us. Listen one thing carefully and grasp it carefully also. Miss Hindi will never work us in any field. In the field
Why
of
not
job.
Hindi
It
will
will not work
Yeah,
because
Hindi
our
will not
constitution because our constitution
Are
had provided us the English language as official language. And in
And
any
it
job.
is also become our official language. A day it will be.
But
And
And
Hindi
it
will
will
not
be,
work
it
every
is
day.
about the future.
Help you.
Yeah, it will
will
not
not help you. Why
How
will
will
not
it help you? How will it help you?
Why
You
not?
have dream of going abroad. You have dream of going
I
abroad.
will speak in Hindi over there.
So what? It will not work. You will say that if you will speak in Hindi with them, they will not grasp your word, and you will have to speak
They
your
will
life
know
like
that I
that.
am from Indians.
So
I am not
our
foreigners.
personality
Why
will
Indians
show.
are not speaking English?
Yeah. What
When
the
I-
foreigners
when
do
did I say?
Insulting.
You are yes.
I am
Yes.
saying that Indians are not speaking English.
Yeah,
I
you
am
said
saying
that we are Indians, we
Indians
have to
should
speak in
not
English.
Not
You are
forget that
insulting
that Hindi medium school, but they're thinking that we are lower than English medium.
Of course it is, Anjali. It is. We become lower.
Why it's happened?
Because English shows the personality. We are Indian. As you said, what you said, Hindi is our mother language. So from childhood we are learning Hindi, but from childhood we are not learning English, and we are very good in Hindi.
Why not you can learn English from a childhood also?
Why we are not learning? Because our environment is not providing that. From when we are child, what our mother teaches to speak papa, dada, like this. They are not saying that say dad, say mom,
no.
because our
Why don't
environment
they-
is like that.
Why don't they teach us like this?
Why don't? Because
Hindi is
they
essential
know.
for us.
Hindi is essential
But
for
because-
them. They are doing this for their self. Selfish one. Our parents become selfish. He want that if he will start to speak English from childhood, then how we will understand? They are illiterate. How they can understand? That's why.
If they will teach us English from our childhood, it will be much more easier, to learn English.
And English is very easy. I think English is easier than Hindi. In Hindi,
Yeah.
there are various of vocabularies, various of that
And
symbols.
you are also
Yeah,
confusing in
English
Hindi.
also.
And you are also
Yeah.
confusing in
You are
Hindi.
not, you don't know the counter of Hindi.
If you are just speaking English, you will just join some Hindi words also.
It is not possible.
And
If
also-
we will become
you
fluent,
cannot
if you
say
will
what
become
I
fluent
know.
and tactfully, yes, if you will start speaking
After
tactfully
all,
in
you will
English.
just join
And you also
that.
have the problem.
Preeti, you just know, just grab that Hindi is just our official and for first and foremost language, and which means Hindi is our just mother tongue.
Yeah, you are right. Hindi is our mother tongue. And I am an Indian, as we all know, as you also know, I am an Indian. I know very good Hindi. And I respect my language also. But I want to say that we are Indian. We need to show our quality to some others also that no.
But Hindi we cannot show
No,
our
it is
quality.
not possible. It is not
Why
possible
not?
actually. No, it can't be possible. Listen one thing. Grasp my words.
If you will speak politely to anyone in Hindi or English,
Yeah,
it will show
politely. That depends
English
on
not a
our
polite language.
yes, that depends on our conduction. If our conduction
Yes.
is like this, then we can say.
Yes.
But Anjali, English shows our personality. Listen one thing. What do you want to say? You want to say that we should not learn English, means we should concentrate on Hindi. We should learn English, but we should concentrate on Hindi. But why I am saying for learning English only? Because, miss, listen one thing. As you said,
No, sister, we are not agree with you. How can you say that Hindi? You are not talking in Hindi.
I am talking.
Even our
No,
mother,
listen,
even
listen,
our
listen,
family
listen.
taught us how to speak in Hindi. You have to know how to just. You are only saying English. English is foreigner language. It is not our mother tongue.
But
so you have
English
to
is foreign language. We have to learn English also.
So
English is
what?
also
I am not
important.
agree. I am not agree.
Hindi
We,
language.
I'm not saying that forget our Hindi language. I
Okay,
say you can.
we know
Just
English.
learn
Okay, wait.
English language.
Okay, wait. We know English.
Yeah, we know.
We know Hindi.
Yeah.
So why we
Listen,
forget about mother tongue?
Listen to me.
I'm
listen
not
to me.
saying
Just
that
you
forget
are
your
saying
mother
just
language.
how nice the word ma.
I am
papa.
disagreeing
So they have
with
taught
you
us
all.
how to just.
Nandini, I am disagree with you. Listen to
Why
me.
you have
I'm
to
not
agree with
saying, I'm
us?
not
Yeah,
saying
we are
that
not
forget your Hindi,
Hindi
forget
language.
your mother language. No, I am saying to
If
learn
you will
English
just
language.
say that English speaking.
So you are
English,
just saying
you-
that.
Okay,
Oh,
at your home, I'm not discussing about myself. I'm not discussing about ourselves. We know Hindi, we know English. I'm discussing about others. What others should
And
do.
we are not saying-
So I'm just saying.
Okay, well, Nandini, how many you know verses about Sanskrit?
I know many verses and you are just doubting, so I can explain.
Okay, explain.
शांततारं भुजगशयनं पद्मनाभं सुरेशमं विश्वधारं गगनसदृश्यं मेघवर्णं शुभांगं लक्ष्मीकान्तं कमलनयनं योगिविद्यानिगम्बया वन्दे विष्णु भवभयं हर सर्वलोकैकनाथं क्रोधाद्भवति सम्मोहा स्मृतिविभ्रम स्मृतिभ्रंशाद् बुद्धिनाशात् प्रणश्यति. So now you're doubting.
Yeah, my
It's
doubting.
not doubt.
It's not my
She is-
doubting.
So you have to we know our Hindi language. How can we know our Hindi language? It is our God language.
So when I say that we are forgetting our
Just
Sanskrit
you
and
are,
Hindi
you are
language.
just saying English. So you
Yeah,
just
I'm saying English, but I'm not saying that forget our mother language and Sanskrit
it
God
will
language.
matter.
you need to say. You
I'm
need to
not-
say.
but
Actually,
I think
our
I
meat is not like that, Nandini. I just want to say English is today's language and it is very indispensable.
So
to learn
Hindi is yesterday
I want to say only this, that Hindi we should, but English is the today's language and we should learn it. Hindi
So
is
Hindi